Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing on this device. First of all, you need to open your device's keyboard. Now, if microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear. Then click on voice typing, tap on this switcher to turn it on, and go back to your keyboard. Then just tap on the microphone icon, select while using the app and start typing. When you finished, click on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!